made it on the elevator to the top floor.
Right, so this is what it looks like in person. It's on camera. It looks pink, doesn't it?
It looks pink, but it's red.
It's not red. It's actually dark red. It's really dark red. Wait, let me just. Oh, you can't tell exactly. It looks pink, but it's actually really dark red. Anyways, it works. I'll show you. So look, linked up. Look at this, yeah. Projector linked up to my laptop. So this. Oh, I don't even need this open anymore, do I? It's gonna go off, but it's fine. I can just reconnect it. Now that I got a keyboard, I can actually type. Finally, I can type, guys. So basically, right now it's turned off. So it goes a little bit dark, and you click it to turn it to make it work, and then you just type with it, and it's really cool. Look, my password. It didn't miss a letter because I got it right. Obviously, it's a white screen. See, I got my password right, and I was typing with this keyboard. Obviously, wait. I'll blur out when I was typing because people might find out what my password is and then hack into my computer and then find out where I live and then find out how I live and then possibly send a killer clown to come and hunt me down and then stand in my room.
Wait! It has to be the new movie guy, otherwise otherwise I won't answer the door.
Oh yeah, a clown attacked me when I was a kid. Roll the clip. As you might notice, this is my laptop. And I'm gonna admit it's a pretty big laptop. I like it big. Alright? And if you look at the keyboard, it's pretty big, isn't it? The keyboard's pretty wide. Look at this little puny thing. Compared to my other one. Where's my other one? No, there's nothing to use it for. You can't connect it to your iPad. You want? You can have it. No, you can't. You can't. Yes, you can, but you need an adapter. Don't mess with that. Don't mess with it. What I'm guessing here is the projector projects this light. You
can see a dot there.
This dot, and this dot is what shoots out all this. This is why there's no shadows when you do. Well, when you do this, there's no shadows.
When you go like the it goes on your hand.
Yeah. Obviously, it's typing because you're basically touching it. So let's go look. So you can hold it while I type. So I'm gonna type. It's hard to see actually. I'm gonna type Jamie. You can hear it type, and look, Ballistic Cookie. Obviously, I didn't do a space. Oh,
it's gone off.
Because you'll put your hand over it. It's pretty sensitive. But yeah, Ballistic Cookie Jamie. I forgot to put a thingy. But it's honestly amazing. That's the video for now. We'll catch you up on tomorrow's video. Might be a freaky video. We have a zombie mask right there. So we're gonna be doing a zombie skit. You know, breaking into our house. It'll be funny. We'll do it definitely. It'll be a really funny video.
Immediately to confiscate the money.